Hi smart people and welcome to my channel. In this chemistry video tutorial, we're going to name this compound. And if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload new video, you get notification. And also make sure to like this video as we're going to proceed along. Now, this is a complex symmetric compound, and this usually come in exams like GCSE, JAM, WAEC, SAT, and as the case may be. So it is very, very important we pay attention while we're naming this compound. So please make sure to watch to the end. All right. So to start off with naming this compound, if you see this symmetric compound to be complex, you can as well convert it to uh, a more simpler structure, or say maybe a condensed form. And to keep this in its condensed form, you will need to consider that this carbon atom has 3 hydrogen atoms. So you could first write CH3, or let me change this ink. So you could write CH3 first, which is what you're having here. And this bonds with, here we're having C and 2 hydrogen atoms. So we have a carbon atom with 2 hydrogen atoms. And of course, here we have a carbon atom and we have 1 hydrogen atom. But keep in mind, it also have a functional group. This is the alcoholic functional group. So we can extend it. And this is what we call the condensed structure. So you can convert to this condensed structure if it will be more simpler to you. Right, this is CH2, and then the last one we have here is CH3. So now we've gotten this condensed structure, you can easily see that we have 5 carbon atoms. Look at it, there are 5 carbon atoms in the main chain. And if you check along, you see that you notice that the 3rd carbon has an alcoholic functional group. All right, so now our interest is to name this compound. Like I said, we are not to check for the chiral and achiral molecules in this compound, but we are to name this compound. And to name this compound, you need to understand the IUPAC naming of compound. So now the rules are very simple, but it has an order of naming compound which consists of the prefix, the word root or the root word, the primary suffix, and the secondary suffix. All right, so but then you need to understand this rule before you can be able to name this compound. So in the next video, I'm going to make sure to state a few of this rule, then apply using the rule to name this compound. So make sure to watch this video right here, and I will see you in the next video.